In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-in sheet template using Google Docs. First, you'll want to open your Google Docs. If you're not already familiar with how to navigate to Google Docs, you can find it by going to the Google homepage, selecting the Apps menu at the top right corner, and clicking on Docs. Once you're there, create a new document by clicking on the blank page icon or choose an existing document to work with. Now that you have your document open, let's move on to setting up the table. You'll begin this process by navigating to the top menu and clicking on Table. Here you'll see an option to Insert Table. Selecting this option will bring up a grid, allowing you to choose the number of rows and columns you want for your table. The number of rows and columns you choose will depend on your specific needs. Consider how many categories and entries you need to keep track of. For this tutorial, we're aiming for a straightforward sign-in sheet. So columns might include things like names, last names, addresses, states, and signatures. Feel free to adjust these categories as necessary to fit your particular requirements. With your table in place, it's time to add the headings. You can start at the top of your table, where you'll list out the details such as name, last name, address, state, and signature. These headings will be crucial for organizing the information you collect, so make sure they're clear and easy to understand. At this stage, you might want to think about the visual presentation of your table. A neat and aesthetically pleasing table can greatly improve readability, so let's look at making a few adjustments to enhance its appearance. To do this, first click and highlight your headers. These are your column titles. We'll give them a distinct background color to make them stand out. So, with your headings highlighted, go to the toolbar, click on the background color icon, and choose a color you like. Choose something that contrasts nicely with the text color to ensure your headings are easy to read. Next up, consider changing the text color to complement your new background choice. To do this, highlight the text, click on the text color icon in your toolbar, it's a small A with a line underneath it, and select a color that suits your theme. Whether you choose bold shades or softer tones, just be sure the text remains legible against the background color. And there you have it. With these steps, you've created a functional and visually appealing sign-in sheet template in Google Docs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.